Hello, in this video I'm gonna do a two-card setup of the Ellipal X card. So let's begin. For that you will need the Ellipal X Card starter. If you don't have it, because I had the X Card Duo, which just comes like, it's a very small box. This comes with like this two cards, right? So if you don't have it, then you'll need to get it. And now we can create or recover wallet. This video will create a wallet. If you want, you can watch a video on recovering wallet, but that video only covers one card. But the second card adding process is very similar to the process of adding the second card in create wallet option. So it's just very similar. I'll just show you that on the create wallet because it's a bit simpler for me to record and a bit faster. So it's so better for you. You don't have to wait. Now let's go to create wallet here. And also it's worth noting that if your cards already have been set up, you don't need to worry about it. It'll ask you if you want to reset existing wallet, and you can select yes or no. Of course, remember that if you're resetting existing wallet and don't have your seed phrase written anywhere and you have funds added to that wallet, then you'll lose the funds. So make sure that if you're resetting a wallet, you either have the seed phrase written somewhere safe or you've transferred all the funds to a different wallet. Now it asks me to insert the first card, so let's insert it. It asks to keep the card inserted until done. Now select the seed phrase option. You can select 12, 18 or 24 words in the seed phrase, and I will select 12 just for the sake of this video not being too long, but feel free to set it to 24. It will be for sure more secure. Now I will set a passphrase because I have a passphrase enabled. You don't have to do it if you don't have it enabled. If you want to learn more about passphrases, you can watch a video on it on our channel. I will just set it to an A letter and that's it, because I just want to skip that. Yeah, but it's worth, if you don't know about passphrases, it's worth watching that, because if you set a passphrase that you don't remember, then it's really not good. Now a card pin. It's worth setting it to something that's hard enough to guess but easy for you to remember, but as long as you have the seed phrase written somewhere safe, we'll get to a seed phrase in a moment, then you don't need to worry about the pin as much. I will set it to something very simple, as I said, just for the sake of the video, but feel free to set it to something more complex. Now what's also important is that here you might have noticed it is 6 to 16 digits, and to select the digit, just go up or down to select it. Then once you are pointing on the good one, click on this button to go to the next field, right? I already have 6 digits, so I can approve it with the approve button. Let's click on OK. Now let's confirm it. You can see I'm doing it the same way. Just clicking on down or up buttons to select the number. And clicking on next to approve the number and go to the next field. Okay, let's approve it now. It's creating the wallet. It may take a moment, but as you can see, the process is quite quick. Now click on OK, and when it says need a duplicate card, click on yes. Now remove the first card and put the new card in. Click on OK. If you want to keep the same card pin, click on yes. If no, click on this power button shortly to discard and set a new pin for this card. I will keep the same one and it will start duplicating. You can see the process is like very simple. Now the duplication is completed. Click on OK. If you need another duplicate card, you can also do it. I have a third one. I could also use it, so why not? Let's use it. It's gonna be a free card. Let's insert it, then click on OK. And this time I'll set a different pin. You can see I'm setting it to something very simple, but don't set it to something simple because that lets other people have access to your funds. And this card was set up earlier, so it asks me if I want to reset existing wallet. Yes, but remember to have either no funds on that wallet or your seed phrase written somewhere safe. Click on yes, then yeah, it says about the seed phrase. I'm gonna click on yes to continue, and now it is duplicating and resetting it at the same time. Now the duplication is completed. Click on OK. Now I don't need a fourth card. Let's click on no. Then back up your seed phrase. And it is important that you back it up and never lose it, because if you lose it, then you'll lose access to your wallet once anything happens to your cards. Fortunately, we have free duplicates, but still, never lose your seed phrase. Keep it in somewhere very safe that no one has access to it, because once they do, they will be able to access all your funds. And also, don't take a picture of it with your phone. Write it down on a piece of paper. In the box, there is a seed phrase sheet included, and you can use it or get, for example, a metal one, because there are also metal seed phrase sheets on the internet. So never take a picture of it, because people can access your phone, right? They can, like, your phone has internet connection, so that will make no sense to have a cold wallet when you have a that, you know. When you have that picture on your phone. Click on next, then click on next again, next again, next again. I will be showing you the seed phrase, but only because I won't be transferring any money ever to that wallet. So make sure to save your seed phrase somewhere safe, as I said. And now click on OK, and it asks you for the first word. So select which word was the first one, just with the up or down buttons. Mine was song, so let's select it. Then it asks me for the sixth word, which was attend, and now the 10th word, which was mesh. Next. Now I can remove the X card. Click on OK. And I have created 3 cards. Click on Next. I need to connect Ellipal app to proceed. Let's click on OK. Now I'll get to the Ellipal app on my phone. So I'll just simply get that app. Okay. Now on the app, click on Cold Wallet, X Card, and click on Connect X Card. Now enter your card PIN. I will connect this one first, so let's enter its PIN. Submit. You saw that the tiles of the PIN were shuffled. It is normal, it's for security. Now scan your card, hold it still to your phone, somewhere near the top, near the camera, somewhere where you would put your phone to the reader if you were paying at the store with Apple Pay or Google Pay. And hold it still. It'll start loading in the circle, as you can see here. It has connected it. Now let's select coins that I want to use. Select all of these and complete. Now you can add your other cards, because if you want to make a transaction from a card, you need to tap the correct card when a correct wallet is open. You can see there's wallet selection and you can have several ones, and you need to tap the correct one. Of course, there is an ending number, so like you always just know which card is which, but if you only have one added, then the other ones will be unfunctional. So click on the wallet in the top left corner, collect to Cold Wallet, X Card, connect to X Card, enter the PIN, which is again shuffled. Is it correct? Yeah. Submit. And now scan it with your NFC as well. Okay, no, actually it says, sorry, I made a little mistake. It turns out that actually once you connect just one, all the other ones will work, but of course with a different PIN. So you just need to connect one, and all the 2 or 3 or 19 will work. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to check out other videos on our channel. See you in the next one.